Fake email generators are temporary mailbox that allows to send and receive message. You can use the online email generator to avoid leaking your confidential information, advertising mailing, send email without being tracked, and spam emails. Why use fake email generators? Here are important reasons for using email generators. Fake email address generators help you to sign up anonymously. You can use them on any website for verification purpose. They help you to use temporary mail without any verification. Replying to an email or forwarding an email without disclosing personal information. Burnermail is a tool that enables you to generate fake email address to sign up for any websites. It allows you to add multiple receptions in your account. Features: you can reply to conversation using a burner email address. Allows you to create multiple email addresses. Enable you to manage your mail through online mailbox. Offers browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, and more. It helps you to protect your email and privacy with ease. 10 minutes it is secure, disposable email service. It helps you to create private email address that anyone can send email to. The email its address both automatically deleted in 10 minutes, so you don't have to worry about unwanted mails. The features: if your mail is just expired, then you can recover it before it's permanently removed from the system. Easily use service on any mobile service. This site can help you to avoid spam and losing your privacy. You can set mailbox times to 100 minutes. Temp-mail is a fake mail generating application of a temporary address. You can create an email temp-mail which automatically remove after some time period of time. Features: it is most advanced route email service which help you to stay secure. You can keep your inbox free from the advertising mailing hackers as well as attacking robots. Email on Detect is for site of all things deleting throwaway, disposable, and temporary email address. It is one of the best temp-mail match which help you to protect your online privacy and avoid spam. The features: a system consistently deletes email addresses, Bitcoin and currency and friendly. Create temporary in simple steps. Help you to protect your privacy by not allowing spam in your inbox. Throwaway mail is temporary mail address service. When you visit its website, it will generate a new email ID for you. The generated email ID can immediately receive the mail. Features: once you create an email, you will receive an email instantly. Other people cannot use your email address. The email automatically expires from the 48 hours.